Penny.
Penny.
Very good.
Oh, thank you.
Bear?
It's a nickel.
Your ball's a little hot, Bear?
Yes.
That's a quarter.
That's a penny. Look, find a quarter. Find one. Find a quarter. They're a big one. They're probably the biggest coin you have in there.
Did it!
Let's see. I think that's a nickel.
This one's a quarter.
Oh! Look!
Yeah.
That's the testing.
Can you find another quarter? Is that one? That's a penny. Pennies are the brown color.
Brown counter.
Yeah, those are the pennies.
Testing.
Yep. Your piggy is going to be full. He's going to be full.
Here. I beat those.
You got lots of monies. Mines. The mines. Ha 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 ha. Can I have it?
No?
Can I have your monies?
Oh, yeah. Look.
Aw, thank you. Thank you for sharing.
For my baby.
I'll put it in your piggy bank. There you go.
There.
Look at Bear. Oh, were you rubbing his booty?
No.
You were rubbing the piggy's booty. I saw that.
I'm gonna go there.
He must be tired from sleeping all day.
Go there. Look, there's a nickel.
It's a penny.
I'll find the money.
He's going to be so full.
Look, 3. That's what I'm making.
Wow.
And the head.
You going to put it all in your piggy?
That's the little ones. That's the little ones.
The little ones are dimes or pennies. The brown ones are pennies.
Down there.
Brown? The brown colored?
That's the one color.
Yes. Very good. You put it in your piggy bank?
Here you go. What's this? What's this? Me, what's this? Oh, green.
You got to put all that in your piggy bank.